Hello children, welcome back to my class. So let's see today our third lesson, Hasmina's kite. Hasmina, what do you think whose name it is? Yeah, Hasmina is the name of a girl. Her kite. The story is related to her kite. Now let us see. Before getting into our lesson, just see the warm up exercise. Look at the picture. Color the children who are helping their friends. Children, can you see who are helping each other? Yeah, these two people, these two children and these two children are helping each other, and this boy is also helping to the teacher. So those persons who are helping, you have to color. Okay, that was the first exercise. Then second, who are your friends? Are they like you or are they different from you? Take turns to talk about your friends. You can do this activity at your home. Okay children, so you better do this first bit, it will be easy for you. The persons who are sharing or helping to their friends, you have to color any color but use crayons or color pencils only. Clear children? Now okay, let's start our lesson. Hasmina, Hasmina, and Saif, Saif, Hasmina and Saif. Lived, lived, apartment, apartment. Hasmina and Saif, they lived in an apartment. Apartment is nothing but set of rooms on one floor of a building, or you can say it as flat. Flat building, 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 CALLED, called AJANTA, Ajanta, APARTMENTS, apartments. They used to live in a flat. So what is the name of that flat? Ajanta Apartments. THEY, they, LIKED, liked. They liked kites. They went, 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 TO2, SHOP, shop, WITH, with, THEIR, their, FATHER, father. They went to a shop with their father. Can you see here? Hasmina and Saif went to the kite shop with their father. WHICH, which, KIT, kite, WOULD, would, YOUULIKE, like. Which kite would you like? Asked father. Father spelling FATHER, father. I''D, I would, LIKE, like. I would like that. THAT, that. RED, red, KITE, kite, WITH, with, THE, the, GREEN, green, TAIL, tail. I would like that red kite with the green tail, please, PLEASE, please. Who is saying this? Said Hasmina, HASMINA, Hasmina. Hasmina likes red kite. Okay. WANT, want, THIS, this, BLUE, blue, KITE, kite. I want this blue kite with the yellow, 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 tail, TAIL, tail. I want this blue kite with the yellow tail. Please, PLEAC, please, said SAIF, Saif. Saif said that I want blue kite with yellow tail. What Hasmina want? Hasmina want red kite with the green tail, and Saif want blue kite with the yellow tail. Okay, so do you know children, most kites have a diamond shape? Yes, have you seen the kites? It is in diamond shape. But kites can also be shaped like animals, birds or butterflies. The kites will be of different shapes or sizes as well. Okay children? Now, WHERE, where, CAN, WEV, FLY, fly, OURR, KITES, kites. Where can we fly our kites? ASKED, asked. HASMINA, Hasmina. Where can we fly our kites? Asked Hasmina. Hasmina asked to his father, where can we fly our kites? WHEN, when, CAN, can, WEV, FLY, fly, THEM, them. When can we fly them? Asked Saif, SAIF, Saif. Saif is asking to his father, where and when can we fly the kites? You can fly your kites tomorrow, TOMORROW, tomorrow. Now father said, you can fly tomorrow. Father replied, You can go to the roof of our apartment building. apartment apartment. building building. You can go to the top of the flat. Okay. So why did Hasmina and Saif need to go to the roof to fly their kites? So that they can enjoy and they can cut other kites also. The next evening, 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 Hasmina and Saif went to the roof roof. The next evening, Hasmina and Saif went to the roof. They took. Their kites kites. They took their kites and went to the roof. They stopped. They stopped. The top of the stairs stairs. They stopped at the top of the stairs. Sharmaji, Sharmaji, Sharmaji is here. This person was on the roof, roof, roof. They were, they were, frightened, of him. They were frightened of him. Frightened is nothing but scared. Okay, they are frightened of Sharmaji. Now, what happens then? Sharmaji Sharmaji was an old man with a bent nose, bent, nose, nose, with a bent nose. Sometimes, somemes, sometimes, he, wore, bls, black, glasses, glasses. Sometimes he wore black glasses. Who will wear black glasses? Yes, Sharmaji will wear black glasses. Sometimes Sharmaji sat, sat, still, still, and closed, closed his eyes. Sharmaji sat still and closed his eyes. Then sometimes he sang songs. Sometimes what he used to do? He wear sometimes black glasses, he will sleep sometimes, or he will sing songs. Then Sharmaji was walking up, walking, up, and down, down. He is walking up and down on the terrace, terrace, terrace. Here terrace is nothing but roof. Okay. Look at all those kites, said Hasmina, Hasmina. Hasmina is saying, look at those kites. Those kites are very colorful. Colorful, colorful. Now, many people were flying kites at Ajanta Apartments. Ajanta, Ajanta, Apartments, Apartments, Ajanta Apartments, and from the roofs of other buildings, buildings, buildings. Hasmina's and Saif's kites flew in the wind, wind. The kites looked lovely, lovely. Lovely is nothing but pretty or beautiful. The kites are looking very beautiful in the sky. There was a tall boy on the roof of Skyline, sky, line, line, Skyline, apartments, apartments. On the roof of Sky Apartments, he had a black kite. One boy, this is a tall boy, he is in the other apartment. What is the name of that apartment? Ajanta Apartments. So, he is having a black kite. Then, Sharmaji stopped walking. He watched the black kite. Suddenly, the black kite came near Saif's kite. What happened? The Saif's kite, he is flying a kite. Then suddenly what happened? This tall boy is flying a kite near Saif's kite. Then the remaining part we will be seeing in the next video. So till that time you go through the reading practice. Okay children? So that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.